Well, look at just what just arrived today. I got a couple of accessories for my Monument grill. I got the cast iron cooking plate. All right, I'd call it a griddle. It's reversible. It's got grid lines on one side, smooth on the other. All right, and I got the Cordierite pizza stone. It goes into my Denali 605 in a little round cutout. I already have the rectangular griddle. Bought that from my old Monument back a few years ago. And I use it on this Denali all the time. But I think I'm gonna use that cast iron cooking plate tonight to cook my supper. And y'all, I'm working on pizza dough recipes. The Monument grills do make good pizzas. Do it even better with this pizza stone. Look, it's right now the evening of August the 19th, and tomorrow, which is the day you'll be watching this video, is Monument Grills Day. Oh yeah, Monument Grills Day. And Monument Grills is gonna be giving away 3 models of grills, all right? They're gonna be giving away that Denali 605 Pro like I have. They're gonna be giving away a Mesa 415BZ. It's got that blaze zone on it. And they're gonna be giving away a 200 model. I will have some more information about that at the end of this video. Let me show you the little supper I'm cooking tonight, but I gotta go wash that griddle first. Yeah, you know what? It's a little dirty. You know why it's dirty? Because I use it, all right? Anyway, I've got this, the burners are turned down to about green. Got that griddle ready to go. This one fits in there pretty good. It's a little looser than I expected, but it's expanded since it cooked. Anyway, it's got a concave thing here to catch grease on the grill side. And then on the griddle side, the flat griddle side, it's raised up. So if you're cooking scrambled eggs or something like that, you don't have to worry about stuff running off. All right? Anyway, and then of course this one you've seen me cook on a lot. Shrimp, fajitas, all kind of things with that one. What am I gonna be cooking? Not much. It's just a little Monday night. I gotta work tomorrow. This is some little turkey cutlets. I often just throw these in a skillet, make sandwiches with them. But I've been having them marinated in some Italian dressing. I throw a little Greek seasoning on there. I'm gonna pop them on here real quick, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut those up into strips, and I'm gonna put them in some bow tie pasta and some jarred Alfredo sauce, and that's supper tonight on a Monday night. All right, let's put the first one on the new one. Oh yeah, look at that. These won't take long to cook at all. Come on now, spread out. Won't take long to cook at all. So as you can see, having a round one over here, plus the rectangular one there, gives me a good bit of little griddle room, all right? So I use my gas grill like a grill. I often do shrimp, chicken fajitas, steak fajitas, all sorts of things. And these turkey cutlets, and that's the first one you saw me put on. And look at those grid lines. Oh yeah. All right, so you see what these are gonna look like. That's the first one I put on here. Those grid lines, of course, are thicker, right? Coming off of there real easy. I'm gonna cut this up, and these are gonna be thrown into some bow tie pasta with some jarred Alfredo sauce. And that's gonna be my supper tonight. Make a little garlic toast. Might make the garlic toast on here too. Let's talk about the giveaway. All right, well, what you need to do for the giveaway, and you could win a grill like that one, that Monument 605, Denali 605 Pro. And of course, it'd be fun to get all the accessories with it too once you get it, you know. But you can get a Mesa 415BZ with that blaze zone, or you could win a Monument Mesa 200G. It's a little like aqua green colored 2-burner. Perfect for like a small place or a couple or a single person. It's great. You could win any one of those. Yeah, I cut my finger. Actually, you know what happened? A staple went through that. Back on topic. You a squirrel. Oh, ADD kid caught in. Back on topic. You want to enter? Look here. Subscribe to my channel if you're not, please. All right. And go down and click the link to Monument Grills and do what you got to do for registering. Make sure you're subscribed to the Monument Grills YouTube channel too. And, you know, all their Facebook and social media stuff, do that. But I don't think you have to. I think you just need to go down to Monument Grills and register. But subscribe to my channel. And that's what you got to do. Thanks to Monument Grills for letting Big Lou Barbecue participate in this giveaway. And I've got some turkey Alfredo to go eat for supper.